Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm a postdoctoral fellow in the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you your side step with a band, or you might be familiar with it as a monster walk from your ACE home-based maintenance program. For this exercise, you will need a band, so make sure you grab one of those. And this muscle is going to be working the sides of our thighs, or our abductor muscles. So these guys right here, our glute med. So that's where you'll feel it, the sides of your hips. And I'm going to show you a couple different modifications, different things that you can try out if you want. As always, do the one that feels best in your body today. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the ACE program at ace@ucalgary.ca. And there is a disclaimer on our website, so if you haven't already, make sure you go and read that before you do any of the exercises here, including this one. Alright, so to get started with our monster walk, you'll take the band and you'll place it around either your calves, you can place it a little lower, closer to your ankles, or around your thighs. We want to avoid our knees. We don't go there, so nothing around the knees, but it can be lower, closer to the ankles, calves, or thighs. From there, we're going to bring the feet about hip width distance to start. We're going to come back into a squat position, so not full squat, but we are going to bend the knees. I like to have my hands out in front of me. Some people prefer to have them as at their hips, so just do the thing that feels good. Roll the shoulders down, engage the core, so we're hugging everything in here. Nice long straight line from our tailbone all the way up the crown of our head. And then we're going to bring the toes so that they're either tracking straight ahead or that they're slightly pigeon-toed, so they face one another just a little bit. And then leading with our glute med, so that abductor muscle, we're just going to take little steps. And you can do 10 to 15 in one direction, 10 to 15 in the other, or you can just do it for 45 seconds, trying to make sure you get the same amount of steps going in each direction. I don't know if I did the same amount of steps. We'll hope so. My glute meds will. All right, so modification or another option for you with your monster walk is to move forward and backwards. If you're going to do that, you're going to find that exact same position. So you're going to sit low, hands can be in front or at the hips. You're going to find that little squat position, and then your feet will be about hip width distance, maybe even a little bit further. You might want to pigeon toe the toes again, just a little bit. And we're just going to take little steps forward, focusing on keeping these side muscles engaged, these big muscles on the sides of your buttocks. And you'll walk forward and backwards. And that's your monster walk.